In this video, I will show you step by step how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams in a simple and quick way during a meeting. First, join a meeting on Microsoft Teams normally, using the link sent by the organizer or accessing it through your calendar inside the app. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the top or bottom of the screen for the share icon, usually shown as an arrow pointing up or labeled Share. Click the Share button and Microsoft Teams will display different screen sharing options. You can choose to share your entire screen, a specific window such as your browser, or even a PowerPoint presentation. Select the option that best fits what you want to present during the meeting. After selecting, Microsoft Teams will begin showing your screen to everyone in the meeting. While sharing your screen, avoid opening personal content or information that should not be visible to participants. When you finish presenting, click the Share button again and select Stop Sharing. After that, your screen will no longer be visible to the meeting participants. And that's it. Now you know how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.